Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I'll be showing you how to post on Bluesky. So in order to do this, first of all, navigate to your Bluesky application or log into Bluesky using your web browser. Now, after logging into your Bluesky account, you will see your account's dashboard. Here, if you want to post anything, you'll have to simply click on this small pencil and notepad icon at the bottom right side of the screen. Now, when you click on that icon, it is going to take you to this pop-up page where it says what's up. Here, you'll have to simply add the description of your post. After adding the description of this post, you'll have to choose if you want to post it by clicking on the post icon at the top. Now, if you want to add an image to your post, click on this small image icon at the bottom left corner of the screen. Now, that will open up your gallery where you'll have to choose an image that you want to post. You can click on the pencil icon to edit this picture and edit your post. Now, if you want to take a picture from your mobile phone and post it, click on this icon. If you want to post a GIF, click on this icon. You can also click on this plus icon and add another post just right here. Now, after doing this, you can click on the anybody can interact button, choose who can reply, whether it's everybody or nobody, or you can also combine these options like mentioned users, follow users, and save it. Now, after doing all this, writing a post, adding an image, simply click on the post icon at the top right side of the screen. Now, when you click on this icon, it is instantly going to post it on Bluesky. So, that's how you post on Bluesky. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.